Alright, मैं हूं सिद्धार्थ कनान and yes, right now भोजपुरी दबंग्स का ये bowling lineup. So far, 2 wickets have gone. Great job by Oja, who's got a great form going on this whole league. ये obviously बहुत ही शातिर खिलाड़ी भी है, and giving him great support has been Tiwari Singh and Jais as well. Well, ladies and gentlemen, मेरे साथ इस वक्त स्टूडियो में हैं Bollywood superstar, youth sensation, Suraj Pancholi.
Hello everyone, hello. But I'm not a superstar yet.
ऐसा क्यों कहते हो?
I'm not a superstar. Yes.
देखिए वहाँ पे छोटा सा बच्चा रवि किशन के साथ, maybe he knows that you're there. What energy man Ravi's got, yeah.
There's so much energy in the stadium today, and actually I'm feeling good because my mom is from Hyderabad, and I know thoda Telugu, koncham. I know a little bit of Telugu also, so I feel great to be here. My mom always wanted me to come here with her, but I never got the chance. But now I'm here to support the Telugu Warriors, so I'm here for Akhil. I mean, it's great to be sitting amongst these big legends.
Look at the fans, man, Suraj.
So many people. How many people do you think?
यहाँ पे कम से कम कितने होंगे? 2 लाख?
2 lakh? 20,000 brothers. 20,000.
देखिए मैं exaggerate करके बोलता हूँ, but it's a packed stadium, man. It's a packed stadium.
It's packed. Yes, and I'm waiting. I think tomorrow I'm in Hyderabad too, and I'm waiting. I hope the Telugu Warriors win, so that I can come and see the final match too.
I'm sure. पर मुझे ये बताओ, तुमने कहा तुम्हें तेलुगु अच्छी तरह आती है. Actually, okay, back to the game. All right, here goes. A decent single there. If you can see it, 66 for 2. Prince doing a commendable job. He's been the stable force throughout. Sachin हालांकि अभी out हो गए थे. That could have led to a big partnership as well. आप बताइए, आप क्रिकेट ऑब्वियसली आप मुंबई हीरोज को सपोर्ट करते हैं.
Yes.
वहाँ का माहौल कैसे रहता है?
अब एक ही मैच के लिए आया हूँ मैं, तो and it was great, you know. We won that day, and you know, it's always good to be part of the winning team. Yes.
But tell me, who's that one player who's so excited about cricket in your team? माने वो जो बच्चे की तरह हो जाता है क्रिकेट का नाम सुनते ही.
I think it's Ritesh sir. I think he loves cricket, and I think he's been playing the cricket for a very long time, and yeah.
No, but tell me one Telugu line हो जाना यार. हाँ. Whoa, what a shot! Well said. Oh no, well tried. Very well tried, man. Look at the agility there. Look at Venki sir, Suraj.
Look at how fit he is.
बच्चे की तरह खड़े होकर cheer कर रहे हैं सब लोग. What a cracker of a shot. My God. यार तुम भी बहुत फिट हो. तुम ऐसे वैसे जंप मार लेते हो कि नहीं सूरज?
थोड़ा बहुत मार लेता, but I don't think I can play cricket as well as all these actors over here today. But मेहनत चालू है. I hope to play soon for the Mumbai team.
तो ऐसा हो गया कि अंदर की बातें हो गई कि सूरज going to be representing us playing on the field.
I hope I play for the team. I hope I'm good enough to play for the team. Yes.
अच्छा, तो ये रितेश is the most excited. पर कौन वो खिलाड़ी है जिसके सामने सबकी बोलती बंद हो जाती है लॉकर रूम में?
I think it's Mr. Sunil Shetty. Definitely. It's Mr. Anna.
अन्ना के सामने सबकी बोलती बंद है because he's the big brother.
Because he's the biggest brother.
Whoa, look at that bro! Chakka! Yeah, baby! The fans are getting a super treat and you are going to be very happy. You're a Telugu supporter.
Yes, I hope they win. I really hope they win today.
Look at the environment, man. You know, जब तुम perform करते हो stage shows, Bollywood shows के लिए, क्या इतनी excitement होती है कि इस time जो आप क्रिकेट में देख रहे हो उसमें ज़्यादा excitement है? Honest talk.
बहुत when rehearsing for a stage show or something, it's scary. And वहाँ पे 20,000 लोग तो मेरे को नहीं लगता होते. And
yeah, last ball. What an over it's been. Almost 14 runs gone. After the hurricane, Thora Tehrav, 79 for 2 in 11 overs. फिलहाल अयाज खान भोजपुरी दबंग से trying to show his jalwe. Oh! That could have been a caught and bowled, huh? But well tried. हाँ, तो आप बता रहे थे माहौल के बारे में.
I think माहौल तो same है. Everyone's trying to win, you know, and everyone's playing really hard. Everyone's practicing so hard. I'm hardly getting time with Akhil because he's been rehearsing for the match, and they're playing tomorrow as well if they win today. So, I mean, it's great pressure and it's great hard work. So, I think it's for all the teams.
You're a young eligible man. सारी लड़कियां हम लोग चल रहे थे. Oh, it's Suraj! Yeah, सब चिल्ला रहे थे. So tell me, what's your plan for Valentine? Are you going to be out with someone, or are you just going to be watching a match? Are you know, in the air? Is it going to be? And he's gone. Sorry about that, Suraj. But what a catch, man! What a catch! He was like Superman on the field. What a dive! Mahal bada sanjeeda in the Telugu team, but that was like a flyer. So when a wicket goes for Telugu, does your heart bleed? You're like, nahi, kya hota hai?
I don't know, man, because the game has just started. So, but I hope that they win. And but both the teams are playing really well. So let's see what happens.
So yeah, I was telling you. So do you and Akhil, जो तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं, आप बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं, एक्सचेंज नोट्स होता है कि नहीं कि तुम दोनों की इंडस्ट्री में क्या हो रहा है, तुम अपने इसमें अच्छे हो, वो उसमें अच्छा है, कंपटीशन होता है कि नहीं आपस में? वाका ये अखिल आ गए हैं, द कैप्टन, और ऑब्वियसली बहुत ही अच्छे दोस्त of Suraj, if your voice reached Akhil right now, what do you want to tell him, man?
I said, brother, play hard, play well, and win today, and let's party after this.
So coming to partying, so what's it? Have you got a sweet girl waiting for you in Hyderabad जो कह रही है सूरज आओ मेरे साथ रोमांटिक डिनर करो? क्या सीन है भाई?
आज रात को
ब्रदर टॉक, ब्रदर।
आज रात को वैलेंटाइंस डे है और तेलुगु में बोलना चाहूँगा, नाको वका गर्लफ्रेंड कावाली, that means I need a girlfriend, और फिलहाल तो गर्लफ्रेंड है नहीं, and I hope I find a nice girl from Hyderabad, you know.
And especially the land where your mother was based, man.
Yes. So my mom will be really happy if I find a nice Hyderabad.
अरे ये रहा मिसफील्ड यार.
Okay. आंखों के पन्नों पे मैंने लिखा था 100 दफा कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा.
There you go, चौका. हीरो का नाम सुनते ही, अच्छा सुनील शेट्टी की आवाज में बोलो ना, ये लगा चौका. Come on, you do it very well. Come on.
I don't think I can do that. No.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a four that was. And thank you so much, Suraj, for
You're
being with
welcome,
us.
brother. Thank you so much.
फटाफट चौका लगा.
Hey, चौका लगा.
Thanks, Suraj, man. Lots of love, lots of respect.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And hope you find your girl, man. Thank you.
I hope to.
Now I think some hard work needs to be done though, and this pair has got a lot of responsibility. Prince actually, who has been batting for a while now, 35 deliveries is a long time in context of T20 cricket, and he's the one who has to just take it up a bit. Akineni has just come in and smashed the ball around, and that's his job because first 6 overs were very crucial, and full marks to Bhojpuri Dabangs, and that expression tells you all. It's a happy camp. They know that they've kept things tight. Normally, the thumb rule is in a T20 match that by the 12th over,
wow,
you need to hit.
Look at that! Here's go get their blockbuster chaka! Waka yay! And Venkatesh is celebrating in how, my friend? Venki sir, hats off to you in your spirit. Look at the local fans. इतना जज्बा होता है local fans के लिए, अपने local team के लिए. It's truly a dream. And सूरज का दोस्त Akhil is in full form.
Well, I think the correct technique was a pure delight in this game. He just went through with a shot with a straight bat. Shows that he had so much confidence in him. It's not an easy shot to play. They've got big bats. The big pitch is good. The grounds are not very big, but still you got to go through with the shot, and you got to have a lot of confidence that you're going to get through because you know that there's a player on long off. So that was a wonderful.
All right, you can tag us, #Parley CCL6. Please tweet करिए आपका response, आपके pictures of what's happening there. Remember, Twitter, Facebook, it's all yours. #Parley CCL6. And crowd goes crazy as Venkatesh Daggubati enters the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium, Uppal. And that has been obviously tweeted by Regina Cassandra. Regina, thank you for the tweet. Ada Sharma bhi बैठी हुई हैं next to Venkatesh sir. Ada ने एक horror film की है of Vikram Bhatt, and फिलहाल it's Prince who's cracked a 50 right now and he's playing like a king.
So now the floodgates have opened and they've got nothing to lose. कम ओवर बचे हैं, विकेट हाथ में हैं, तो किसी को तो आके मौका लेना होगा और एक कप्तान का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं क्योंकि एक कप्तान के पास भरोसा होना चाहिए. 13 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 102 रन, कुछ रिकवरी हो रही है.
$102 for 3, 13 overs.
But you got to watch it because if you don't look at me, then we'll speak at the same time.
You want to take the lead? All right, 102 for 3 in 13 overs. Akhil on 17 of 6 balls and Prince just reached his 50. What an effort. Prince playing like a king, as I said.
Well, it was a low full toss, but still had to be hit actually. And it's a tough shot. People feel that a low full toss is an easy hit, but you still got to place it. So I think the intent is very clear. Siddharth, अब कुछ मौका बचा नहीं है क्योंकि अब जो भी है ये सारे ओवर जो इस्तेमाल करने हैं क्योंकि 180-90 रन चाहिए यहाँ पे. जो पहले स्लो बैटिंग की है उसकी भरपाई करनी होगी. ओहो, चेहरे देखिए. ओह नो.
पर ये चेहरा देखिए आप. He is like a raging bull, Venkatesh sir. Truly an exhilarating environment in the stadium today. Fans going gaga.
It's amazing how the stadium has filled up since the first game, you know, and it was expected because the home team has been on a roll. They've been winning the matches. They are defending champions, and in their own lair, they've got plenty of support. The red flags all over. Oh my God, that's a superb stroke.
Another cracker. Telugu Warriors obviously very motivated with their local fan following. Fans हमेशा एक difference करते हैं, morale booster होते हैं अपने stars के लिए. Look at that shot once again, full of confidence and full throttle. Manoj Tiwari बिल्कुल खुश नहीं है और Venkatesh sir looks like he's actually playing out there instead of being with the spectators.
You know, that's a sign of a good team that they will find a way to come back in spite of the earlier slow start. And again in the gap. The boundary riders have got it tough because the ground is fast. It's like greased lightning. So they have to cover a lot of ground. The ball is fairly new. When the ball gets scuffed up a bit in rougher grounds, then it travels slowly. But it's just skimming and probably a hint of dew as well. So that'll make things interesting later on.
A partnership of 32 or 14 balls. इनका तालमेल, इनकी bonding, इनकी chemistry on field is worth a watch. Oh God! You give what the crowd wants. Prince on a roll, and sorry ma'am, you need a shoulder to cry for sure right now. गन्ना मैं दे दूं क्या? लगा तो लगा. There was a lapeta.
Well, this is not a bowler's game. False shot, but still fetched 4 runs, and the crowd is loving it. So no matter where they come from, as long as they go on the board, that's what counts. कभी-कभी गेंदबाजों के ऊपर बहुत तरस आता है मुझे. क्या करें, बल्लेबाजों की खेल है ये, और लोगों को रन देखना ज्यादा पसंद है, विकेट्स गिरना नहीं.
Already 14 off this over. Unfortunately, it doesn't go to the boundary, but yeah, 2. कंट्रोल थ्रो होना जरूरी है. बहुत सारे ओवरथ्रोज ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं. सचिन अपनी मोहतरमा के साथ. उर्वशी 118 for 3 in 14 overs.
उसके बाद जब से अखिल नहीं आए हैं, अखिल ने आके जो एक दूसरे छोर पे 2-3 शॉट लगाए, उससे थोड़ा प्रिंस का भी दिल खुला है. or he's riding his luck now, I think, and he's got nothing to lose. He's got to throw the back around. He's done the hard bit. He's batting on 68. If he thinks of a landmark, then the team will be in trouble. So he's just got to keep on hitting the ball now.
And enjoying himself out there. Hello fans, you have made CCL 6 a super hit. It's because of the fans. और CCL अपने fans की बहुत कदर करता है. हर एज ग्रुप के लोग वहां पे हैं. And of course, putting the flag high up in the air of the Telugu Warriors. बहुत समय के बाद एक कंटेन शॉट आया था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अखिल के मित्र सूरज पंचोली भी आए थे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आप बात कर रहे थे सूरज से कि यू न्यू हिज फादर वेरी वेल एज वेल. उनके फादर और आप कभी क्रिकेट खेले हैं कि नहीं?
New is the wrong word. I know him. So yeah, I know him for a long time, and it's nice to meet Suraj, who is not as tall as his dad, which on screen you can't see how tall a person is, but a very pleasant lad. I hope he does well.
There goes another one. Right from the middle of the bat. Whoa! There you go. Split wide open. What? This is exactly what Bhojpuri team needed right now.
No, I think it was a big wicket. I think the best way to stop the runs is to actually take a wicket. And getting a well-set batsman out is surely going to put some brakes on. So 119 for 4, and is this when Bhojpuri Dabangs make a comeback? So we are in the business end of this innings. Big wicket for Dabangs to come back. Well-set man going, and the new man coming in. He'll have to actually just make sure that he gets the idea of the pitch, the bounce and the pace. That was the wicket. Well ball there, just wearing the length, and can't find any fault the way Prince went for the ball. He had to go for it. Single to finish the over, very productive over, 120 for 4. Actually it's a double. So 121 for 4 after 15.
15 ओवर समाप्त हो चुके हैं. 121 रन बन चुके हैं 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर. 5 ओवर और बचे हैं, और यही अब मौका प्रदान करता है तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के लिए कि नाउ गो विद द फोर्स ऑफ द बैट, और एक तरह से बारिश कर दो चौकों और छक्कों की, अगर उस आंकड़े को छूना है जो नॉन डिफेंडेबल हो. अजय,
जब पिछला ओवर भी बहुत जबरदस्त था, जिस अंदाज से अब सिन्हा ने अब गेंदबाजी की, बिल्कुल विकेट विकेट पर. फिलहाल नीचे चलते हैं और इस बार देखते हैं पॉपी के साथ कौन है.
मेरे साथ हैं तेज. How is the excitement in the dugout?
It's very exciting. So kind of looking forward for the match. It's going on good so far. So we're trying to give a good, a defending target for us. So we're trying for that.
So what do you think is going to happen? What is your gut feeling?
So hopefully it's going to be a good match. So the best team is going to win, and we're trying our best to put in our all efforts so that we win and go for the finals.
What's happening there? Oh my God! A lot of excitement.
Yeah, a lot of excitement, and good cricket is being played. So it's kind of very feels good about it.
Who are you placing your bets on tonight?
On my team, of course, my team.
But which player?
All of them very good. We have been practicing a lot, so we, like everybody's playing really well. So hopefully it's going to be a team effort.
Okay, and there's so much support here in Hyderabad. Like, look at the amount of people who have turned up.
Yeah, it's really fascinating because we're playing in Uppal Stadium and Rajiv Gandhi Stadium, and feels really blessed for us because it's like every cricketer's dream to play in an international cricket ground, and the home support is like awesome.
Does it also get pressurizing at times?
Yeah, I felt the pressure and I fell down and I got out. Yeah.
Super. Listen, I need to tell you that boost is the secret of my energy. Your team is playing fantastically well. We can see the energy there. What is the secret of your team's energy?
Family. In the sense, like, we're all like one. We're all like a family, playing like a family. So that's a secret, and that's our energy.
Well, thank you very much. All the very best, and let's just go back and see some more cricket.
Thank you so much.
127 for 4, 15.4 overs, 2 balls remaining in this over, and जिसे कहेंगे जो सूत्रधार हैं इस टीम के, वो इस वक्त इस क्रीज पर मौजूद हैं। और अगर आप सीसीएल के सुपर फैन हैं तो आप कॉल करें 5333-599 पे, और अगर आप खुशकिस्मत हैं तो आप 1 लाख रुपया नगद जीत सकते हैं। और ये आउट, 5वां विकेट गिरा तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के लिए, और ये बेहतरीन कैच, शॉक और सदमा।
जी हाँ बिल्कुल, और क्योंकि एक बड़ी विकेट, अखिल जो कप्तान है तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के, बड़े शॉट के लिए जाते हुए पर सीधा फील्डर को पाया और एक अच्छा कैच। आज ज्यादा गलती नहीं कर रहे यहाँ पे दबंग्स, और अयाज को ये विकेट मिलती हुई 786 की जर्सी है। अखिल वापस जाते हुए 19 रन बना के 127 पे 5।
नए बल्लेबाज आदर्श क्रीज पर आए हैं। अखिल इससे पहले अपना विकेट गंवाकर पवेलियन की तरफ लौट गए, और आखिरी गेंद है ये 16वें ओवर की।
तेलुगु वॉरियर्स की समस्या बढ़ रही है, उनके लिए रन नहीं आ रहे, विकेट का भी पतन हो रहा है। खान को 2 विकेट मिलते हुए, बढ़िया गेंद, और ये बाल बचे, बाल बचते हुए बिल्कुल ब्लॉक होल में 127 पे 5।
127 पर 5, और अखिल अकिनेनी आखिरी विकेट असगर खान की गेंद का शिकार हुए थे। और अच्छी बात यह है कि इस इनिंग्स में बॉलिंग साइड ने अभी तक सिर्फ 4 ही एक्स्ट्रास कंसीड किए हैं अजय, जो बहुत ही फायदेमंद साबित होता है जब रन्स को कंटेन करने की जद्दोजहद चल रही होती है।
जी, और खासकर शैलेश सिन्हा की तारीफ करनी होगी। पहले ओवर में 3 रन खर्चे, 1 विकेट भी मिला, और बिल्कुल नपीतुली गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं, बहुत बढ़िया कार्य कर रहे हैं। ये थी पिछली विकेट जो गिरी थी, बड़ी विकेट कप्तान की, बड़े शॉट ले गए, जो एलिवेशन प्राप्त करना चाहते वो मिली नहीं। और देखिए सिन्हा बहुत जबरदस्त गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं आज। पहले ओझा, जैस, उसके बाद सिन्हा, जो स्पिनर्स हैं वो उभर के आए हैं। दिलीप वेंसारकर, आइकॉन, लेजेंड भारतीय क्रिकेट के, थोड़े चिंतित होंगे। बैटिंग कोच है तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के, और ये लेजेंड हैं सिनेमा के, वेंकटेश, बड़ा नाम।
सिनेमा के लेजेंड, यूथ आइकॉन, स्पोर्ट्स एंथुसियास्ट, और ये शॉट खेलने की कोशिश पर प्लेसमेंट की दरकार, और कोई रन नहीं।
और मुझे लगता है एक और अतिरिक्त दबाव भी है विनीत, ना केवल ये एक बड़ा मैच है, सेमीफाइनल है, और देखिए यहाँ पे ट्वीट्स भी आते हुए कि जो स्टेडियम में जो सपोर्ट है, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं पूरी तरह से। और ये एक्ट्रेस ये ट्वीट करती हुई कि जबरदस्त माहौल है, और वो भी दबंग्स के जो समर्थक है इस समय जरूर काफी प्रसन्न होंगे, जिस प्रकार अभी तक रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया है।
बेहतरीन रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट। और जैसा कि आपने कहा कि भोजपुरी दबंग के काफी सपोर्टर्स अजय, ये तेलुगु,
बड़े हो या छोटे, बड़े हो या किसी भी उम्र के हो, तालियां बज रही हैं यहाँ पे दबंग्स के लिए।
जी बिल्कुल, चाहे ये गढ़ तेलुगु वॉरियर्स का है, पर दबंगों का भी यहाँ पे फैन फेयर जम के जमा हुआ है।
चलो।
और शैलेश सिन्हा अपने दूसरे ओवर में, और ये मिस फील्ड, ये रोका जा सकता था, और 4 रन का इजाफा। शैलेश सिन्हा अपना दूसरा ओवर करते हुए 1 विकेट हालांकि वो ले चुके हैं, खासकर इकोनॉमिकल भी रहे हैं, सिर्फ 15 ओवर दिए अभी तक, और इस चौके के साथ 15 ओवर।
जी, और ऐसा लग रहा है अश्विन पूरा बूस्ट पी के आए हैं, 2-3 गिलास, पूरी ताकत झोंक दी। और ये देखिए प्रतिक्रिया, सुपरस्टार लेजेंड भी कितने खुश। रन आए मिस फील्ड के कारण, या जैसे भी रन आने जरूरी है। इस बार क्या पे खेला है, यहाँ पे एक और बाउंड्री मिलेगी, बैक टू बैक बाउंड्री जाती है अश्विन के लिए, और यहाँ पे अपने गियर बंद है। 139 पे 5।